So I'm at a job today in Earlwood for a MyRepublic customer. Basically, they've had some internet issues. How long has that been going on for?
A few days.
They got onto their company, MyRepublic. They sent out a technician to come and take a look. He never came inside, or he was actually a no-show. Then they got an email saying that there was a problem on their end with a bridge tap. Possibly internal cabling was the issue. So they've called us out today to come and take a look. Now, as you can see here, the lead-in cable is just popping out behind this GPO, and the socket that was on there was here, which was just scotch locked and was just hanging off the wall. Now, this is the second time I've tried to get this to link. It's probably gone 10 minutes the first time and nothing's happened, and I've just tried it again now. But as you can see, this is directly on the lead-in cable. There is no internal cabling here, and it's not syncing up. This is an NBN service, so MyRepublic, this is 100% not a bridge tap or any internal cabling, because as you can see, there is no internal cabling. It's a direct lead-in cable. So this is a network issue, and you're going to have to send back a technician to work out actually what this problem is. All right, thanks.